Creating a channel banner is tricky. Creating a channel banner is what is tricky. So I want you to pay very much attention to this video so that you understand everything. Okay, if you are a beginner, you definitely need to pay very good attention to this video before you'll be able to create your own channel banner. Okay, so let's get to YouTube. This is YouTube, and this one above here is my channel banner. As you can see, my name is visible. Okay, yeah, the tag is visible, the subscribe is visible, and everything else is visible. Okay, how did I do this? How did I come up with this? Okay, so when you come to canva.com here, which I'm going to share the link with you in the description of this video. When you come to canva.com here, you just go to this search your content on Canva. That's the search engine. You just search for channel banner. Okay, channel banner. Banner. I mean banner. I wrote banner instead of banner. Okay, so channel banner, just like this. Yep, channel banner. Wow, there should be, of course, there should be. Yes, in the go for sure there should be. Okay, so this is the channel banner here. So I want to show you something here. Okay, so let me select this channel banner just so I can show you something. Okay, let it load first. Okay, first off, guys, as you can see this, as you can see the design here, you can see this design with a city, right? That's the background with a city. Then after the background with a city, you can see a very tiny design in the middle. Okay, the middle of the design. What should I say? In the middle of the background. Okay, instead of the design to fill up the background, it was made very tiny in the middle of the background. Okay, so here's a reason. Because as you can see, the channel banner, it's very like tiny. It's very small in the YouTube. Okay, in the phone, yes, on the phone in YouTube, it's very small on phone. When you are using a phone, you won't have all this coverage. Okay, you can see that there's a lot of coverage here. I'm talking about the background itself. Okay, so when you are using a smartphone, you won't have that coverage in your channel banner. Okay, so if you want yourself to be visible and everything, the elements you use and every other thing to be visible, then here's what you have to do. You have to make your design after creating your own what should I say? Okay, after creating the design, that you start the design, then behind here you put on the background. Then you have to make your design very tiny in the middle, just like this one. Okay, so this is how a channel banner is. So if you are using a Canva, if you want to design using a Canva, it's very simple. You just come and search for a channel banner. Okay, just like the way I did. When you search for a channel banner, you just go on to look for anyone that best serves your taste. Okay, so let's take for instance, this is the one I want to use. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, so you can see it too. The design is very tiny in the middle, right? Okay, so this is how it's going to be for you. So you are here to edit because this is already a template. You are not to design from scratch. As a beginner, you are not to design from scratch. You need to be like somehow familiar with graphic design before you start designing from scratch. Okay, which I think we're going to see how to design from scratch also using Pixel Lab. Okay, so when you come to Canva and you select the template that you need, all you are going to do is to edit the template. That's just all. For example, when you touch on the background here, this is color. When you touch on color, okay, when you touch on color, you see this search engine. You just need to put on a color hexa. Okay, or let's say for example you need a blue color, you just search for blue. just like this, and blue color is going to pop out to you. So you just select any blue of your choice. Okay, for example, I select this one. Can you see? But preferable you use the hexa code, because if you use the hexa codes, it's going to give you exactly what your color, what your channel branding color is. Okay, so don't search for the color name, just search using the hexa. Okay, so even this one, let's say I want to I can change it to something, let's say green. You can see, right? Okay, so after you make the edit this way, you can use your two hands to zoom. Okay, so after you make the edit this way, you can edit the name. When you tap on the name like this, let me say I tap on this. Okay, when I tap on the name, I activate the name, I'll come to edit. When I tap on edit, I'll just write my name like Dean. Okay, Dean, and below here to the Maxwell, I'll tap on it, and this is edit, and I'll just like creatives, Dean Creatives. Okay, you can see it says tech channel here. I can edit it and say like digital creation, just digital creation maybe. Okay, so you can use these edges to, you know, to make adjustment to the text. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, it's very simple. You can do it this way. Okay, so new video every Sunday. You can decide to write anything here. Okay, this is your social, and your social. Okay, it's asking you to put on your socials. That's your your handles. Okay, like what's your Instagram handle, what's your YouTube, your Facebook handle. Okay, what's your TikTok handle, and so on. So if you have any, you just tap on this and you put okay, this is group. Okay, so if it is grouped, ungroup the elements for more flexibility, elements in your design, so you can. Okay, so thank you. You can ungroup this when you tap on this is grouped. Okay, they are all grouped, but for flexibility you should ungroup them before you edit them. Okay, so this is ungroup here below, down here you can see ungroup. When I tap on ungroup, it's going to ungroup everything for me. Okay, very simple. You can see now when I tap on this, it's going to highlight itself alone. Okay, so how do you select like what's it called, the social media icons? Okay, in Canva it's very simple. All you are needed to do is tap on the plus icon here. When you tap on the plus icon, you see element. Sorry, this is element. You just go to element. When you go to element, you search for what you want, like let's say Facebook icon, just like this. And when you search for Facebook icon, you can see a lot of Facebook icons, both paid ones and free ones. Okay, so you just select the one you need. Let's say I need this one, as it's a free one. Okay, yeah, it's a free one. So you just, you know, zoom and, you know, make adjustments, make very good adjustment, man. Okay, so you can make adjustment, make it very tiny. So if you want to move it this way, you just scroll, and we have something called nudge. This is nudge here, so you can make it move. Okay, yeah, you can make it move just like this. Okay, can you see the magic? It's not magic, it's very simple. Okay, so you can see I put on a Facebook social icon, so I can put on, like I say, maybe it's Dean Creatives. Okay, Dean Creatives. Yep. Okay, let's say Dean Creatives. Okay, you can leave it this way. Meanwhile, you can also try to like move these ones. Okay, you can try to move them. When you move this, sorry, I'm coming. Okay, so when you make a mistake, up here you can see this is undo. Okay, it will undo your mistake. Meanwhile, this is redo to redo, this is undo to undo. Yes, very simple. Okay, so all the Canva tools are below here. This is the plus icon for you to add something. This is the edit for you to edit a text. But this is also this edit will only be available when you highlight a text, okay, when you select a text. Okay, so you tap on this edit and this is edit to edit the text. I hope you understand. So this is shape for you to bring in any shape you want. This is color to change color. Okay, this is a border for you to select any border, the border color, style, you know, font as in font, yes, font, the style of text, font size, okay, the size of your text, color, okay, yes, the color of your font, you understand. So this is format. In this format you'll be able to bold your text, you know, italize it, you know, underline it, and so on. Okay, so these ones below here are what do we call them? We call them alignments. Okay, yeah, these are alignments. We have the right alignment, left alignment, and so on. Okay, this is something we're going to dive deep on, okay, not in this video actually, but I'm just here to show you how to create a YouTube channel the simple way, okay, the very simple way you can, you know, it's YouTube banner, sorry. Okay, the simplest way in which you can create your own channel banner. Okay, so after you are done making the edit, just play along with it. Every mistake that you make up here, this is the undo, you can undo it. Okay, so just don't feel anything, feel free to, you know, touch everything and, you know, make your edit to your own satisfaction. Okay, so this is, you can change this photo. This is replace here. When you tap on replace after highlighting the photo, okay, so this is your upload, that's the image upload. Okay, so you can upload another file by touching on these upload files. Okay, when you touch on the upload files, it's going to bring you here. So you just select any place you want to upload your file from, maybe Facebook, maybe Google, anywhere, Google Drive or anywhere. Okay, so this device, when you touch on it, it's going to take you to your files so that you select any picture of your choice. Okay, yep, any picture you want. Okay, so since I have let me go to the download. Okay, since I have generated a profile picture for myself, so let me use the profile picture and see. Okay, so when you tap on it, you can see that I have generated, I've used it. Okay, I've put it on. Okay, so this is how you just, you know, make the edit. It's very simple, but you just need to pay very much attention and, you know, be very creative. So don't panic. Okay, don't panic. You can find every resources in Canva. Okay, you just need to touch on the plus icon in the elements search bar. Just search for anything you want and Canva is going to give it to you. Okay, so this is how to create a channel banner, okay, using Canva. So don't forget that it's very good to save your work after you're done. So this is where to download. This is download. Okay, yes, download all icons. So this is download here. Just tap on download. This is PNG. It's showing you that the file extension is in PNG. So, and it is suggesting you to use PNG. You can use the PNG, or you just tap on this and this is JPEG and you can select JPEG and hit on download. Very simple. Yep, so see you in the next video, guys.